Romtec designs and supplies complete pumping systems for wastewater, stormwater, industrial process water, and clean water. We work nationwide with engineers, developers, industries, contractors, and owners, both public and private. For over 20 years, Romtec Utilities has met the requirements of each individual public or private pumping system. We provide the materials and configurations preferred by our customers. We design all structural, all mechanical, all electrical, and all communication aspects using the materials, brands, and control methodology preferred by our customers. Every day, millions of gallons per minute are being pumped through Romtec Utilities pumping systems. Sewer, stormwater, and clean water districts, as well as industries of all types, look to Romtec Utilities for the pumping systems they need. Romtec prefabricates its systems in concrete, fiberglass, and stainless steel to make every installation fast and as perfect as possible. Whether your pumping system needs are commercial, industrial, or residential, you'll find the partner you need with Romtec Utilities. Meeting the pumping system needs of our customers within budget, on time, and configured the way they want it built. Get to know Romtec.